Welcome to the third clue of the Allendale School Scavenger Hunt Challenge. By now, you should have collected 2 of the puzzle pieces. S, T, R, and we will add I, V, I to that. Keep an eye out for the remaining pieces as you continue on the scavenger hunt. Here is your next clue. I am the place where we learn to speak, where we translate and we converse, and we critique and we seek. Find me among the maps and the flags and the dictionaries, in the room with the languages and the cultures and the stories. Remember, teamwork is key. Work together with your teammates to solve the clues, find your way to each location, and put together the final puzzle. Good luck, and have fun! I will see you at the next location.